Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are at the local market in Yaoundé, Cameroon, Central Africa, and we're going to see how the chicken cleanup is done there. When you buy your chicken, you have two options. Either you go home and do everything yourself, or you pay to have it cleaned up and cut in pieces. I chose the second option, to pay and have it cleaned up and cut in pieces, because I wanted to save myself some time and have it ready to go in the pot for cooking. So right now the guy has already done like the cleaning and dipping in hot water to remove all the feeders, and now is like cleaning the inside of the chicken, like removing all the stomach and intestine and anything that is not really like meat, and because I want only like the meat and bones, not the stuff inside. So those guys, they do this the whole day non-stop. It's a team of like guys, like working together, and they do this every day of the week. Like you're always gonna find people there at this point, like this spot, the cleaning up spot. So they're gonna rinse it, like don't mind how it looks around. They're cleaning up just at the end of the work day. And to remove the leftover feeders, like the small ones, they use a fire flame. That's why I put the chicken on top of the burning fire. In the past, they used to do that with firewood, but nowadays they use like the regular gas, like for cooking. Here this guy is working on someone order. It's a big order because I think it's about like 10, 15 or 20 chicken that he was cleaning all at once, like a batch of chicken. It's maybe for a restaurant or someone selling food. And the pizza is the only part that they put it back inside the chicken after cleaning, after removing all the other, the intestine and everything else, and livers. And now my chicken is clean, so it's the cutting time, and he asked me how I want it cut, like big pieces or small pieces or medium pieces. So I chose a medium one. They're very skilled. They do that every day. They really expect that they know the job. Oh, it's all done and ready for the pot. I just have to get home and rinse it off, like wash it properly, because you want to wash more than one time before you can put it in your pot for cooking. Remember to wash your chicken properly before cooking. So I was ready to go, and then he asked me for the cleaning, the money for the cleaning, and I thought I already paid because the lady who sold the chicken, she said the cleaning cost is included in the whole price, the price of the chicken. So we're going back to her to know what is going on. Why the guy is requiring more money, like why he's asking me for more money. So then the lady explained to me that yes, the cleaning cost was included in the price of the chicken, but not the cost for cooking, passing it over the fire flame. So for those cutting in pieces and passing over the fire flame, there's a different cost. Like I have to pay more. So it's not much. Yeah, it's not really much. But that day I was so tight because I didn't plan to go to the market or buy the chicken. I just decided last minute I was on my way back home, and I decided that okay, why not just buy the chicken and go cook, like just to change because we have been eating a lot of
Donc tu veux dire que ça là c'est combien? C'est combien alors? C'est combien alors?
One live chicken, the price is like $6.5 to $7, 3,500 in CFA.
Aujourd'hui là je suis foiré, pardon. Je cherche seulement à ramener le poulet à la maison. Merci à vous.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.